Welcome back to the series Bonds for Electricians. I'm Ciara, CEO of the Bunker Insurance and Risk Management, and today we're going to talk about why you should be working with an independent insurance agent to get your bonds. A great independent insurance agent can be your ally during this sometimes difficult process, and here's why. Number one is you'll have their guidance. Agents understand the bonding requirements and process, and they can help you walk through it. And the most important part is that they will ensure that your application is complete and help you get a quicker turnaround. Number two is advocacy. Your independent insurance agent will represent you in front of the surety company. They present your financials, your work in progress reports, your team in the best light possible, advocating for your capacity to complete these projects. And lastly, independent agents help with problem solving when it comes to the bonds. If you're facing challenges like weak financials on paper or maybe a claim, there's usually a reason why or a story that the surety company should know about. Having an independent insurance agency work for you alongside with the surety company will help make this process go smoother. When choosing an agent, make sure that it's one that understands construction and commercial insurance. Regular communication with your independent insurance agent is an advantage to you in your contracting business. At The Bunker, we are here to help you with not just your bonding, but all of your commercial insurance needs. We're ready to help you move your business from danger to a safe place.